2005 Panos Esprante. What's up everybody, it's Cody. Welcome back to another episode of CM Traveling Cars. Today we got a special episode because I got to work on this 2005 Panos. I got to put a battery in it, and it's not like a conventional spot. It's not the conventional way. It's not the conventional spot. It's not the normal spot where they put batteries on cars, like under the hood. This one is in the wheel well, so yes, I had to take the wheel off. I had to take the fender liner out. Reason why I know this because I did this in this car, I think 5-6 years ago. He wants to put an Optima red top in this thing now, so it's time for an upgrade. Yes, it is on a trailer. It was a pain in the ass getting it on, so I'm going to do this on the trailer, so it actually makes my life easy because I'm not actually doing this on the ground. So I just have to unhook the one tow strap over here, jack it up, make sure we got all the safety points done and stuff like that. And yeah, let's get to work. Yeah, so real quick, this is a pretty badass car. It's got the Ford V8 under the hood. Yes, she is supercharged. Right here and right here, I guess, of all the people who worked on the car, they autographed it by etching their name in this piece of aluminum, which is pretty cool. I guess Bruce Lesser was the owner. This Panos Esprante GT-LM was hand assembled for Bruce Lesser. I guess he was like one of the higher ups with Panos or something. Sometimes the car's just too low. Gotta kick it old school. Okay, so after you get it all jacked up with jacks in under there, yes, you guessed it, next thing you do is take off the tire. Now that we got the wheel off, now we got to take the fender liner out. We got a Phillips head here, a couple, I think there's 8s there. And the fender liner should like pull back this way and unclip from the wheel arch here. Freaking Panos. And they're using self-tapping screws. Isn't that kind of gangster for a Panos? I think they'd be using a little more, something more stainless. I guess it helps if I took the other bracket out. Idiot! So we got about a 9 1/4, about 6 3/4, and around 6 inches. So I need that size battery in that ballpark. Top post mount. Part story, here we come. So we got the Optima battery. Looks like it could be a little bit wider on the battery bottom. Hopefully I do not need to cut that area out. Luckily that is only like a plastic, so it would be cutting up pretty easy. Let's just throw it in there real quick and see what it looks like. It's like a 1/4 inch too big. always something. I do plan on cutting this side right here. I was going to do a little marking right there. Slice down, and just cut the bottom part off so then the battery can sit down. So I decided to take the battery tray out. Figured it'd be easier just to slice that down. Has some freaking massive bolts in there. Friggin' angle aluminum, square aluminum holding this thing on there. Right along that aluminum frame rail. Now that I got this all cut up and stuff, it doesn't look all that bad. Heat it up a little bit to melt it down a little bit, make, you know, cut all the little frizzies off, and let's put it back in. Managed to get the battery in. Let's go fire it up. Boom. All right, so that's how you swap out a battery in a Panos. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you to all the new subscribers out there. I really appreciate it. Hope you learned something, or at least thought it was pretty cool. But yeah, see you in the next video. Peace. Loving cars.